I think this is good, relaxing music. This is good, yeah. I think I can get like 10 to 15 minutes. It's all mental, most of it. I think once you get past that initial shock, it's not that bad. Pretty cold though. It doesn't help that it's 6:30 p.m. either. Probably the only one this year, actually. I asked a couple guys to go with me, they said no. So, a couple of new guys. It's good though. We had the beep test yesterday. So my body's very, very sore, so this would be something good to flush out all that soreness. Feel good though. Freezing. 12 minutes now? 10, 12 minutes? Alright, that's it. 15 minutes.
The first game is again Olympia.
Yeah.
You need to lose, please.
No.
Raga, io faccio il mutande e bagno. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, guys.
Però dopo me la mandi.
Have a good one.